Hello, Rat Rod Bikes. It's Thursday night at the A&W in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. And that means car show. I brought out the Quasi-motobike, and we had a good crowd of guys around asking questions about it. So got a still photo that I'll post with that along with this video. But yeah, we got a nice assortment of cars here. Some old Mustangs, little Chevy Super Sport there, the Impala SS, Chevy pickup from my favorite era, the 60 to 66 era of Chevy trucks, Ford Coupe. A lot of fun cars. Anyway, that's what happens down here on Thursday nights at the A&W. And they've got burgers going. I wish you could smell it. It smells pretty good. They got a chopped station wagon here. Pretty sweet. And we got a few more modern cars as well. I had to park next to this $90,000 Benz here just to show the comparison. But yeah, good old Quasi-moto got a lot of looks today, so really glad I brought it out. We actually even lit the lamp and everything. So fun night at the car show. All right, this is Odd Job signing off from remote at the A&W in Inver Grove Heights. Rat on.